All right, so today might be the day that we finally get my mother's car done. This piece basically is what's holding us up. All it is just hooks up the heater core inside the car. You know what a heater core is? A heater core is basically just a, basically gives you heat in the car, basically from the engine. And I couldn't put antifreeze in the engine because it would be shooting out of this hose that connects to this. So now we're gonna go put that on, put some antifreeze in the engine. I gotta figure out where the antifreeze is at. My father, it was in the truck. He said he put it somewhere. I don't remember where he put it, but I'll ask him later. But right now, I'm gonna drive the truck over to my mom's car so the tools are close. And yeah, so we'll go from there and see what's happening. All right, car's right on over here, so we're gonna get the hood off and stuff. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully just get this thing running. All right, I'll show you guys what I'm doing real quick. So it's that hose right there. This basically goes on like that. That connects to here. That snaps on there. So that's all we're doing. I think that's really, besides, you know, not bolting some of this stuff here. Besides not bolting out some of this stuff here, we're pretty much, I think we're pretty solid. After we get antifreeze in the engine, we can let it run, make check for leaks, and after that, just bumper, fender liner, the wheel back on it finally, and car's ready to drive. So, you know, we got some little things we got to put together, but for the most part, we're finished up here. And we gotta get some, I gotta get some more bolts for this thing here. All right, clip that in, put that right there, adjust this, pull you over here. Come on, up, over, come on. A little more, a little more, a little more. You just gotta get over the thing. Come on. I hate these clamps. I love these clamps, but I hate these clamps. Alright, so now that's all finished there. Now all we gotta do is just put some antifreeze in this thing. I think I got all the hoses connected. Oh wait, no I do not. I gotta put the reservoir thing down there on, and then after that, we can do that. Actually, you know what? I may just go out and get a bolt for real quick from this. Yeah, I'm gonna get the bolts I need for this so that that's all, so this is all set up and, you know, no issues from there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Got our bolts here, guys. Now I gotta go bolt up this thing right here. And like I said, I also gotta fill up this thing, get the reservoir on, but I'm not gonna worry about the reservoir until I get it running and stuff, because it's not really a regular reservoir. It's just an overfill. So like it's too hot, it pushes in. If it gets too cold, it sucks it in. Vice versa. It's kind of like a vacuum, I guess you can say. Later towers. Oh shit, I just lost. Okay, no I didn't. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna get these on all over here, get some antifreeze in, and then we're gonna start it up and see what she does. Because after she starts up and she's running good, then, you know, they'll put it back together fully. But then I gotta go to work very soon, so hopefully this might become a very short video. But at least we got something done, right? Well, now I always make concentrated antifreeze. You can buy 50/50, so you don't have to do this part. But I always buy concentrate because, listen, you're buying 50/50 for, I think, what these go for like $8 to $12, something like that. So you got $8 to $12 per container. Well, concentrate is same price, and on top of that, you get 2 gallons out of it because you put the half of this into this bottle, put the water in the rest of the way, and you literally got twice the product for the same amount of money as 50/50. So that's why I usually go for 50/50 over what do you call it? Oh, this is open, but it's okay. Oh my god, I don't want to play. My dog wants to play, but especially. Alright. It's probably gonna take 3 gallons, but I'm gonna start with 2 gallons here. I don't think 2 gallons should actually even be enough too, but we'll find out soon enough. Oh, and then I gotta put these hoses back on too. Don't want to forget that. This one and the bottom one. I do actually. Sometimes it's like a little life hack here. You can sometimes take off this hose here. And just pour it down this hose here. And like I said, now I filled up a pretty good amount. A lot quicker than if I would have just done the one part. All right. that back on. I got about a gallon in there, almost a gallon. Let's put this on now. Won't be taking that back off. At least. Now you just gotta go back and do this. All right. Now that we got that all situated, we're gonna turn the car on, let it burp itself a little bit. Sounds good though. Some oil that I left on there. Gotta wait for the thermostat to open up, but as of right now, it's sounding pretty damn good. This is pretty happy right now. What we got going on here? Anything? Besides a bunch of freaking lights. Oh, where's my check engine code reader? I'll leave that in here or no? No, I didn't. I'd find in the house. I'll probably check out what check engine light's on it, but yeah, so let's thing warm up and go from there. No leaks down here, as you can see, besides a little drip from this thing dripping around up here. All right. I think we're finally accomplished something, guys. Hopefully. Hopefully that whole starting thing was just because first startup, really. You know, we already had a first startup. Temperature needle's going up. That's good. And then we're trying to figure out how to clear all these codes. I cleared once. I don't know why they went on again, but. And then we gotta get a check engine light reader. See what's going on with that. Let's get the code reader real quick and see if we can just see what's going on with that check engine light. Door codes. There it is. Mazda airflow circuit range. Intake temperature sensor. Crank position sensor A. Internal control module torque calculation performance. I might just unplug the, I might just clear codes actually real quick. Let's see, because sometimes you clear codes, sometimes here, erase codes. Yes, please. Please wait, please wait, please wait, please wait. Erase done, cool. All right, let's see. Sounds good. Sounds healthy. Alright. Can't really solve much of those issues right now, if there is any. Alright guys, so I got an extra hour and a half to work actually on this, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the lights all hooked up. I see I got the bumper on. I got ahead of myself. I was like, oh, I can do more, and then I started doing more. I was like, oh shit, I'm not recording. And then I was like, oh shit. But yeah, so throwing that on, get the fender liner in, get the tire on. We might even have to do a little test drive today. I think that's what we may do. Maybe do a test drive. All right, so we got the fender liner in, got this in, got it situated on the bottom half. got everything look like got situated up here, so now we just gotta start her up. Actually, first gotta get the tire on, and then we'll start it up and get this thing jacked down and test drive it. Make sure that it's clear. And let's, oh my god, the yard again. Technically yes, technically no. Technically this should move out of the way usually. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing actually is a lot heavier than it looks. A lot of water. Alright, so for initial, not too bad. We're gonna go test it around the block. Can't be too long. I gotta go pick up the trailer as well. But we're gonna see how the thing goes and see how this thing drives. Make sure it's not overheating either. Brakes sound like freaking bad, but they're just really rusty probably. Oh, seatbelt did fine. Alright, so we're sounding pretty good so far. We're just cruising. No weird things happening. Other than a terrible brake sound. Just need to get some braking in. Engine feels strong. Be gone. That'll be get. Now I gotta go get the car trailer, so I can put this on the car trailer and get out of here. I'm not doing that today. Well, I'm getting the trailer today, but I'm not getting rid of this today. But definitely are going to go pick up the trailer. I don't think I want to bring you guys along. I'm just picking up a trailer. There's nothing really big about that. But listen, other than that, guys, hope you like going along with the ride, working on the stuff around the yard and stuff like that. But so on that note, guys, listen, hope you guys enjoy the channel. I hope you guys enjoy the channel too. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like down below, subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes for our dreams. Don't let them get away. Now I'll see you guys in the next one.